Pangye ta bank account in New Zealand those if go vrolijk maar ik kan.
Go.
Yes, a supplementary. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Is are Nuains here who are looking for finance being disadvantaged because those people are not paying back their money? Thank you.
Speaker, had ik van vrijwillige hoe moedila Italië en na ga je go to go uit go hier ai fuki forum daar na moet doen en na ga je la te doen je to kai daar voor toe si forum waar we fuki en na ga je doen je kumi de to hebben we gezegd zeggen hoe voel je to toe ke forum daar na en hele te doen je en nog voor je moet doen nu gollie fahinga hoe nee maar nee ke moai oilo he maar van
go.
Mr. Speaker, just that final one on there. When are we going to change and start paying our accounts, Mr. Premier? Thank you.
Do you like who we for?
Mr. Coe.
I was asking, are Nuains being disadvantaged here because of the amount of money that's not in the bank and is overseas at the moment? Thank you.
That has been asked. You have asked that, and he said yes. The one you were asking is, I think, was when are we going to pay these accounts?
Sorry, yes, Premier. When are we going to change and we all start paying our accounts and bills in the different areas around Niue? Thank you.
Had ik vond we haker on he hana hoe we te tungi afi de tulu we to kai daar af ke Other tool, anyway.
Mr. Coe, are you referring to NDP and NDP specifically? Okay, no, I won't accept it as a supplementary question. I'm sorry, Mr. Coe.
I hope he's paid his taxes.
We move on, Mr. Coe, move on.
I'm very happy. But not only for Iloa, for auditors in Malani, maar nachlo hier we more see the reports 30 May. Toen we do we have a feed to we have a word we have Kiva ne outstanding. See, but not forget we kisi do ni ko do tour fuki ni ha na kai ka ta ta do ngata ho he treasury. Ke de mahara ma ma. Asi bude the reports ne ne ko na kai for fono ki mo wai. Ko amamra ki tuku mai ke on the different day to Maui more.
Mr. Coe.
Thank you, Mr. Premier. And again, you know, we've brought this up a number of times, but still no change has been made. And if we need staff, then we should employ staff in the Treasury. Thank you. The Public Service Commission. Thank you.
You found them not to tell you him to put in it. When I go here, you move the reports. They not time me may if I putting a hole. I be here with the far use to find a hole for Powilla. Go pita bring out to go to. Ki tausi harotu to Hotaki. For the day, with the two more for Mori, Ki Haroturu, to find a who. The last time with the Tokyo scale on Matoi, Haroturu, the father, Oil and the fun.
Go.
My next question, what time did the police finish working on the night of the fatal car accident up at the Niue High School? Thank you.
Koe haka I loka koe hala tulu to mahua ki usia I he hala tāpi hala tulu he mga pungi mana te whanga.
Mr. Speaker, we have asked a number of times in the House that to have the police working from midnight through to the morning, and they're still not doing it, and we're having these accidents, and now we've had a fatal accident. When is it going to take place that the police work the hours that the people are drunk and speeding around towns? Thank you.
I think from the Maria, not a manatu tuhi mai ke whainga hua ke pehe. Koe whainga hua ne happy as I tupu e the mirani. Ai manatu ke tuhi hia. Ako manana kai mai ke whainga hua ke siausi the manosi he hada tulu kautu he the mga hagius. Poke tau pohara tu gius. So mnei ha ko the manatu e mahari whono ke whakamare Maria. Ke ia ke riua ke manatu I ha. Ako nā kai koe tau reo. Koe whahinga hua, ka tupu e the minani. Koe te tangata whakahoro, whalata ke mana tu mui loa e lautu. E hang ke rea he te mga hone kai ke koe inua lautu, koe inu e, koe watu e whakahoro. Koe loa osi tatu. Koe te reo, ulari lautu ka langamatei, ke tunga I he whai loa e lautu, nā kai fia ka watu e lautu si tauwhia he te reo. Ha koe whakahanoa, whanakās. Ke merei mahati ke whono, manatu e kisia te bihini. Ai te tupu te menei haka te reo. Ai te tupu te menei haka nākenga hua ai alupu. Te tupu te menei haka te tangata ni. People must accept responsibilities for their actions. The police can help. The police patrols have stopped people. Many of them have been taken to court. But we cannot and I will not accept that the police should be held responsible for any accident that occurs on the island. The responsibilities for any actions, in fact, of that nature, accidents of that nature, must be with the people who drive the vehicles and who drink and drive. You hear how the 30 mahati phone a lot time han huhu, a lot time is going to roll.
Go it. People call for Harad.
The next one is why are so many police prosecutions failing when presented in court? And why are our lawyers not helping the police? Thank you.
Koe mahata ke whono I loio he mga honi koe kupu hana ne pehe ka koe e kautu. Haka mana pehe ni e tau whakawhiriang. Kautu for mga hoi kautu for mga. Ai maa me kiao he mga honi e hana tāna ke pehe e kautu. Koe hako I loa. Koe tronga ne watua e ke whakawhirianga ha koe harau tūru atau tunga ia ahoro mo e kai inu kāu. Ahara I rotu. Si langmatai whuki ni he tau rea arau tūru he wharu mga. Ka mahua tau ni he tau rea o ia ni ko tausi. Me tuku ai kei. Langmatai he whahe ngā hua Crown Law Office arau tūru. Kei tau mena nuka rātai ki langmatai kei. Whauilahi mahata ki whanu.
Asking the Premier, Premier, can the lawyers help the police to prepare their cases so that when they do go to court, that everything is in order and proper procedures can take place? It seems that people are frightened to ask for help, and where people are very qualified, our lawyers, then they should be helping the police who are not really overskilled in those prosecution areas. Thank you.
Hadi fono I loia ko whai lama te anga rau tūru ka hei ni ha rau tūru tau whakatakatanga tau se lama te e tau mahua he tau rau leo wharamanga. O ilahi mahari fono.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Premier. My next question, why has there been no action taken by Cabinet on the banning of plastic shopping bags, no smoking in public places, and the reduction in the price of shotgun ammunition, all approved by this Assembly? Thank you.
Na tukuange mahari fono e tau pokianga ni ko whakamoria he whare ni. Siliu kia tu au kia koe tunga nei hela koe ke kise mai la ia ne tuku mai de ma ku pranga nei ma dali ke e bohara ke dau set hoko mai ke mahoni ai la fai whakiloanga mai ia koe boia ne tuku e ma ku pranga ke de bohara ke dau set siliu ngai na ke iloa ko dau se fefe ma ha ke fon froila.
And my next one is when is the following projects going to be completed? 1, the removal of all the unlivable houses, the airport public parking grounds and outside toilets, the removal of all the scrap metal from around the island and to be sent to New Zealand, and the collection of asbestos around the island, and the finishing of packing of asbestos to be sent to New Zealand. Thank you.
With the project's name, had the phone, but the mother who name and I for the phone of the dossier, for Rosia, I took a name the tour. Could the fire Nick or Naka Hang Turkey, here for the rang of the dossier, for the time or two, would the photo if I have a field, saying the Muka Nig behave. Tara ni because ha nezi dosen ni pung be here for the rang the Friday we Maria Valeri here for the rang have got phone with those for perhi dong ho he Maria Valeri hi ni sia em tour mo de fari fafo ma popo e tahavara he fari hi to for the rang ke dosie mo fa mo Turkey a fafo hier mo to menen kwam mo ke hiki fantasie ke he Maria Valeri. Hij voor de rang ke foi voor de bouw, hikje VIP lounge. Ik doe me nou zie. Maar me voor het volgende dossier. Het maar hoe moe. Kwe daar ke do scrap metal. Hij niet in feite hoe voor het volgende game. Maar nou hij je dat ke do scrap metal hier. Ha kwe sisiki we na hij hang hem je on wang had toe. Si maar nou hij je dat do men een van sisiki ke do kein na heeft to tangata he do tu le van ki CI collection of species profita he para ilo to e manacho he do fondo que dossier e do species e melhor que do ignicio do ilo do e do tu manacho he que dossier mouse he do ne mouse he do ho que tu ne he lo do tu que do tupe no noanga he fondo no sila we follow met de fondo foki no no de tu que dossier que ne. Speaker, I'd like to get rid of all of these, and I'd like to tidy up our island to the point that, in fact, everybody will be happy about it. But these are not simple matters. I wish they were, and I wish we had all the money in the world so that we can do these things all at once. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Go.
Thank you, Mr. Premier. When are the vehicles and plant no longer used by departments going to be disposed of or tendered? Thank you.
Had ik gevonden, maar nou gewoon heel lief que do menino no sila sala. Aí mas nou que sala hini. Had ik do watata heen van uta, si fragata que fokini do lot kain he do dangata si fragata he foki do por tu do todos meneer. No maar nemen van non hoi. Aí diga laat ik tinde hini. Ga ik qua popo he voor de fondo mo e frang, laat ik diga que pexi do que no sila profet. Ne van toque do tour uta mo repair aí leva si baran. Manaku que deu for uma fisi e foru motokab que foru machine no na kai menai na kai hua e ma ni tu ni for mama te fugi e va hinga hua funua o wila me hantik fon.
Thank you, Mr. Premier. My next question, who are the members of the tender board? Thank you.
Todo mahal ke phone ko relief ko pilitarang ko penny tanak mo diren o ina mahal ke phone.
My next question is, when did they last meet and to dispose of vehicles? Thank you.
Supplementary.
Ai di mana tio mahal ke phone no kai mana do berekisi de behedi ko mana ko fatadrang he phone igipure ko todo tinna mo. Mas voor de tijd dat de papen zo's, dan maak je moeilijk 5 jaar en vaar van nooit die voering. Je hebt er maar nog op na gooi, je hebt